Hi, 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 hi. So, hi, welcome to today's live. And it was a glitch. ठीक है पता नहीं there was some internet issues. Finally, we are back with the very interesting topic. चलो, it is working now or not? Hi, Manish. How are you? चलो ठीक है ना. What I'll do is I am on time this today. No, you are not on time. We are starting delay. There is a delay in the start. ठीक है. Hi Arnav, hi Mohit. और को हाल चाल बा और हो मिश्रा जी अच्छन बा. और हाय राहुल, व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हो आप? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? डिड यू गेट योर बाइक, लैपटॉप? प्रसाद, आई थॉट ही गॉट बाय एफबीआई. ठीक है, बिग फैन ब्रो, सेम हेयर ब्रो. हाय बीप अगेन. हेलो हेलो बॉस. हेलो ब्रदर. इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. हाँ, शून्य चिच्चा. यो हेलो बड़ी. पता नहीं, चलो ठीक है, चलता रहेगा ये सब. घास देने बोले सैलरी की जगह. नहीं यार, दैट इज नॉट. आई थॉट निर्मला सीतारमन कॉट यू. नहीं, शिखा. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, लेट्स नॉट कमेंट. चलो ठीक है ना. द ओके, so we are doing daily lives at 2200 hours at 10 o'clock. Plus I'll be posting this on YouTube as well, and then I'll do the tight cut, a proper reel of this, and then post on Insta and other platforms as well. Okay, but then let's study what. Let's not study. Okay, let's see what our today's quote is, which is when you are building an empire, you don't ask for permissions. Okay, and before I explain this, let's come to what we are discussing. Monopoly business series. Okay, and this is part 1. Our topic for discussion today is one of the truly believer of this quote: when you are building an empire, you don't ask for permissions, which is the tagline for Meta Platforms Incorporations. Okay, so other than the gaming series, we started this. We'll be creating random things on this about the Monopoly business series. What are they doing? How are they performing? What are their current structures and how much they are actually earning? And are they really monopolies? Exactly, so this is recently Uber shuttle taking over the shuttle business. Okay. Same goes for that business as well, Akash and Corny Upma. See, obviously, this is very obvious. If someone is building an empire, okay, let's say an old king is building an empire, he won't be going around asking for permissions. Same is followed by Meta and everyone that is making Meta policies. They are taking everyone's data and they never ask for permissions, because, and that is the only reason they have built this empire. Okay, and then how big is this empire? Okay, so there are like the current revenue of this empire, the Meta empire of 20 of the last year is $156 billion. what's interesting is it is 25% growth from the previous year. So yeah, Meta is doing pretty good. Okay. And then what is the net income of this empire? The empire that Mark Zuckerberg built. On the basis of this code, when you are building an empire, you do not take permissions. So the net income for Meta for last year is $55 billion. Can someone please help me in the converting this amount to INRs? BlackRock. We are doing this series, no? So we can take up other things as well in this, particularly favorite of Indians. Okay, the Reliance family, the BlackRock. Okay, whoever their monopolies are. Okay. So $55 billion is their net income of the last year, which is how much increased from the last year? Okay, from the previous year is 86%. And this income, see, Meta is earning from advertisements. Their main revenue source is advertisement. But who are their ambassadors who are promoting that advertisement all around? Are the creators. And Meta has paid the creators, the people who are creating content on Meta, the Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, okay, and other Meta platforms. So the payout that Facebook did, the Meta did to the creators is $2 billion. Do we have the numbers? Oh, damn. So how do I write this? CS Shamli is here with correct numbers. How do I write this? 132. 1,32,000. Okay, no. That is what? 1,32,018 and no. That is what? 13 lakh crore? Is that even a number? This $156 billion comes to 13 lakh crore. Wow. Dude. So this is what, let's write here now. 13,21,000 crore. Damn. Okay. So in rupees, Meta generated a revenue of 13,21,000 crore, which is $156 billion, and the profits were what? 43,000 crore? 4,66,000 crores. Huge. So these are crazy numbers, huh? Along with this, Meta gave a payout to 1,32,181. No. Like love from Mars. ठीक है. And what about this? How much is $2 billion? Okay. So we are discussing the monopoly businesses around the globe, and the first business that we have today is Meta Business Inc., which runs on the quotation or on the motivation of this quote today, which is when you are building an empire, you don't ask for permissions. And with this, we come to the total revenue that Meta did last year. It is 13 lakh crore. Converting it into dollars, it is $156 billion. And the income that Meta earned last year is $55 billion, which is in INR, it is 4.66 lakh crores. So it is huge. Along with this, to earn all of this, Meta is using creators to brand, Meta is using advertisement as their main thing, okay, and creators are its ambassadors. To creators, it has paid $2 billion payouts in the last year specifically, which is approx 80% more what it did for the previous year. Oh, 1.69 lakh crores only, no? I apologize for the wrong number. Yes, Akash, you said. अरे कितना है ये? So this is almost 17,000 crores it has paid to the creators. By creators, you understand whoever is creating content on Instagram, Facebook, okay, WhatsApp. So you should be careful, okay, as of today. I am also creating content on Instagram. You don't know how much am I earning from this. $2 billion is 200 rupees, 200 crores. Yes. Aditi, you are doing good. Okay. So this is a 80% increase. Okay. So which is great for the payout and the creators. Okay. So, and by what things is the Meta earning this much? Okay. What are the revenue sources? The revenue sources are the one and the only main source is ads. That is in-stream ads. Okay. Then comes what do you say? Subscriptions that it has. Okay. Subscriptions. फिर उसका revenue source, one more revenue source is the so the ads are of two types, okay, in stream and then the ads on रील्स. ठीक है. उसके बाद में देयर रेवेन्यू अर्निंग सोर्सेज. हाँ, मेटा एपीआई, मेटा इज पेइंग कपल ऑफ लैक्स. परफॉर्मेंस बोनस, ठीक है. मेटा एपीआई तो ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत कमाता ही है, ठीक है. इट ऑल्सो गिव्स परफॉर्मेंस बोनस टू इट्स पीपल. ठीक है. उसके अलावा मेटा क्या देता है? उसके अलावा इट अर्न्स फ्रॉम दी, so there is this program of Facebook stars. Whenever someone is doing live, you can contribute money to him or her. Okay, so this is what FB stars stand for. Basically you can say Patreon, the donations or something, okay, that people pay to their favorite content creators. Yes, and then you should call me Upma. And this is the highest year grossing year for Meta, highest earning year for Meta, and the highest earning year for the creators who are creating on Meta. ठीक है. अब let's see, okay, what are the main companies that Meta have. किसके थ्रू ये इतना सारा रेवेन्यू कर रहा है? द मेन कंपनीज दैट द मेटा हैव आर, फर्स्ट तो हो गया अपना सबसे बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी इज दी फेसबुक, देन कम्स दी इंस्टाग्राम, देन कम्स व्हाट्सएप, ठीक है. उसके बाद में मेटा हैज दिस मैसेंजर which it aggressively promotes. Thread has just started, but then Thread is not doing great as of now. And so true. Are if you want to support me, okay. This is good enough support. Attend daily lives. Okay. Other than this, Meta has two more very popular thing, which is workplace, threads, and there is one more, Oculus. जिसमें they are doing their VR program and all, no? So that company is Oculus. Along with this, Meta has acquired the 91 acquisitions. Did 91 acquisitions. Okay. Okay. One more interesting thing that Meta has acquired over the year of time is whenever you open GIF now, one more interesting thing that the monopoly business Meta has acquired over the time, who has built his whole empire on the code that when you are building an empire, you don't ask for permissions. So Meta did a master move, or maybe not master move, of acquiring. Meta acquired the company Jiffy. So whenever you open your WhatsApp chat or any other chat, you can see a name written GIPHY. Okay. And Meta acquired that GIF company for $400 million in 2020. Crazy amount. Failed to buy. It must have tried to buy Snapchat. Okay. ठीक है. उसका one of the very important acquisition was $400 million. For what? Jiffy. ठीक है. उसके बाद में उन्होंने Oculus भी बहुत महंगा, Oculus नहीं, कंट्रोल लैब्स, वो खरीदा उसने $1 बिलियन में. व्हाट्सएप भी दे बॉट फॉर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव अमाउंट. ठीक है. सो मेटा इज द मेन कंपनीज दैट जनरेट 13 lakh crore revenue for Meta, which is $156 billion, and the total are the companies. Repeat. The main companies. चलो ठीक है, जान दो. So the companies that generate main income from Meta, which is 13 lakh crore, and the income that okay, चलो ठीक है. I have to say this for the cut. No, wait. ठीक है. So the main companies that generate 13 lakh of revenue, 13 lakh crores of, so the main companies that generate 13 lakh crore of revenue for Meta, which is $156 billion, and are the companies which is Facebook, Workplace, Instagram, Threads, WhatsApp, Messenger, Oculus. And along with this, Meta did 91 acquisitions in its lifetime, where it acquired the GIF company for $400 million in 2020. It acquired the Control Labs for its VR and all for $1 billion. And from all of this, Meta is generating an income of $55 billion, which is $55 billion. Converting it into IR, it is 4.66 lakh crore rupees. हाँ, 13 lakh crore को तभी नहीं जा रहा. ठीक है. Along with this, the monopoly business Meta is structured mainly in two places. First is Delaware and second is Ireland. So the company Meta Platform Inc. is not registered anywhere. It has its headquarters at California. Okay. The headquarters of Meta Platform Inc. are at California, but then its registration place is Delaware, which is only for the companies that go there for the purpose of tax haven. So Delaware is a tax haven which is situated in US. Okay, so this particularly, it's registered in along with this, Meta has one more very important office through which it operates globally, which is in Ireland. And then Ireland is also known to favor corporates. It has a very low taxable income. It has very low tax rates. Along with this, it creates policy for the company to shift their global profits to Ireland, and then they charge very less taxes. So Meta did same in Australia. What Meta did is Meta generated in 2022 $1.2 billion of revenue, of ad revenue. ठीक है. So what Meta did is Meta generated a $1.26 billion of ad revenue, for which the profits of Meta was $1 billion approx. So what Meta did is Meta transferred all of that profits to its Ireland company. Okay. And these profits were transferred in the name of reseller revenue. That the main company that is doing all this advertisement is Meta Platform Inc., registered in Ireland. Hence, all the profit would go to the company registered in Ireland, where there are taxes which are favorable to Meta than in Australia. Okay. Along with this, Meta is facing another allegation. So Meta is facing a lot of allegation for data privacy and data protection, plus a lot of fines all over the globe. But then one of the major allegation of taxes that Meta has is in Italy, which is what euro 870 million. Okay, so 870 million euro का fine है on Meta in Italy. Other than that, $1 billion का fine है by Australia government for transferring the profits, for profit shifting of Meta from Australia to the Ireland entity, which is the most of the controlling entity throughout the world to operate Meta offices. Along with this, the main entity Meta Platform Inc., जिसके अंडर सब कुछ है, is registered in Delaware and not in California or any other place. Delaware is another place which is situated in US, is known for favorable tax laws to companies. हाँ चलो we are doing summary and then we'll very interesting comments. That's great on Meta Platform. You are exposing Meta. No, there is no expose. Yeah, they are not. See, Saurabh. So Saurabh is saying that still they are not the richest. Meta might not be the richest. Okay, but this business is surely a monopoly. Let's say today Meta decides to change something in its platform. The whole world moves and everyone has to abide by it. So that's what an emperor does. It creates rule and then people have to follow. The most rich family, which is the LV, Louis Vuitton family, Bernard family, might not be the monopoly because of their businesses. This one is. Chalo, let's discuss this. Okay, we are discussing the monopoly businesses, and this is part 1 of the series where we are discussing Meta Platform Inc., which is a business registered in Delaware. Delaware is a city or a Delaware is a city known for its favorable tax laws to companies in US. Other than this, Meta is registered in Ireland where it operates globally, but then the head office, the registered office where all the profits are shifted is in Ireland. Why? Because Ireland laws favor companies in terms of taxes and in terms of doing better businesses. Okay. So, and the total revenue that is earned by Meta is 13 lakh crore as of last year, which is 25% more from the previous year and the highest ever. Then the net income they made from that is $55 billion, which is 4.66 lakh crores. Along with this, they are doing all of this via platforms like FB, Workplace, Instagram, Threads, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Oculus. Plus, they have done 91 acquisitions in their lifetime where they have acquired the GIF company for $400 million and Control Labs for $1 billion. Along with this, to earn all of this revenue of 13 lakh crore, Meta has used or given power to creators to help them raise their ad revenue. Okay, so creators create on Meta platforms and Meta brings ads and then they earn together. So Meta has given payout to creators of $2 billion, which is approx rupees 17,000 crore, one of the highest that creators have received ever in the globe. Yes, we'll do this. Along with this, can anyone tell me who has earned the highest? Which creator has earned the highest from Meta? Okay. So yes, with this, let's end this with the quote that Meta followed. Okay, when you are the which Meta. With this, let's end with the quote that Meta followed, which is inspired by Mark Zuckerberg. When you are building an empire, you don't ask for permissions. So very seriously, if Mark Zuckerberg would have gone asking for permission to take data of everyone would have said no, or they have charged them upfront, for which they would not have been able to create what they created today, a whole empire. So yeah, good night. To the people who want to go, I'll just go through the questions and the comments. Shunyatax Global, Kim Kardashian, Beast. अरे Shunyatax Global कहाँ है? Pradyuman Kurana quick recap इतना सारा बोला भाई अभी you are just. I'll post this live on YouTube so you can check it forward वगैरह करके fast करके. Are there any branches supporting gambling? Meta. Yes. हाँ, रोनाल्डो इज वन क्रिएटर जिसने बहुत अच्छा से कमाया है. होला अमीगो. Zuckerberg Mark had made money of approx 4.65 lakh crore. ठीक है, huge. Nas Daily has earned. Mr. Beast has earned great from YouTube. Data is the new oil, right? जरूर जगदीश जी रिप्लाई देंगे आपको. Virat Kohli has earned good. Kavita's Kitchen has earned highest from Meta. Okay. So anyways, this is a very good model, okay. Now what OnlyFans did is, see, most of the legal things was taken by Meta, Google, okay, and these are the monopolies who don't let anyone survive. And that is why from the last 20 years, which major business have you seen in tech other than these 10 companies? Okay, so that is why OnlyFans tapped a very different category. Okay, and they are great in 8 years. So OnlyFans followed the rules. When you can't beat the odds, they were unable to beat Google, Facebook, and everyone else. So when you can't beat the odds, change the game. Lionel Messi. If this is on OnlyFans, there would be a lot of things we could be able to talk about freely. ठीक है, विदाउट रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑब्वियसली. वन डे शर्ट पजामा दिखा. हाँ, so Apple is also a monopoly, no? Google is also a monopoly. You read the book Zero to One. ठीक है, Zero to One is by one of the PayPal founders, where he talks about, see, all of these are really monopolies. Google, Apple, Meta, plus other businesses that you have been talking about. Bro, you lagging? Okay. Chalo, ठीक है. If I'm lagging, I'll say good night to you. Bye bye, everyone. Thanks for joining in. I'll upload this on YouTube and on Instagram. Okay. Along with this, let's connect again tomorrow with another of the businesses who is a monopoly. Bye bye. Good night. अबे किसने पैसा छाप लिया भाई. बाय सी एस शामली, भाई आकाश, भाई मौसम्बी का बताओ.